An example of a simple sentence. The price of computers is decreasing steadily. This is a simple sentence that has one independent clause. An example of a compound sentence. The price of computers is decreasing steadily, and more people are buying them. The price of computers is decreasing steadily is the first independent clause. More people are buying them is the second independent clause. This is a compound sentence that has two independent clauses that are joined by the coordinating conjunction and. An example of a complex sentence. Computers, which are decreasing in price, are being purchased by everyone. The group of words, computers are being purchased by everyone, is the independent clause. And the group of words, which are decreasing in price, is an adjective clause describing computers. This is a complex sentence that has an independent clause and a dependent clause functioning as an adjective. An example of a compound complex sentence. Computers, which are becoming less expensive, are increasing in popularity, and they are making a great impact on the world. The group of words, computers are increasing in popularity, is the first independent clause. The group of words, they are making a great impact on the world, is the second independent clause. And the group of words, which are becoming less expensive, is an adjective clause describing computers. This is a compound complex sentence that has two independent clauses and one dependent clause functioning as an adjective. The word and is a coordinating conjunction connecting the two independent clauses.